Good morning, happy Saturday, welcome to the vlog. It is like 10:26 exactly, and I'm going to work just a little bit and try to get a few of these orders done so I can, you know, kind of enjoy my weekend. But today we don't have like any plans or anything, so like it's fine for me to work. But tomorrow, you know, we are going to eat at Papa's and then have Sunday dinner, which I still have to go out and buy. I don't know what to make for Sunday dinner because there's also the 4th of July. So on the 4th of July we get together in the evening and like eat, and you know, so I have to figure that out. And Sunday dinner tomorrow. I think last year we had barbecue chicken, so I don't really want to do that. I mean, we've had hamburgers, hot dogs, and we've had steaks. We've had little shish kebabs with like chicken and marinated chicken and stuff. Problem is we don't have a working grill. So I'm like kind of limited. If we had a grill, I would totally do some like maybe some pork chops, chicken maybe, or pork chops and steak. I don't know. I'm gonna try to come up with something. I might actually watch some YouTube for some inspiration, and we'll probably go out later and go get that. Sterling has her friend Marley over right now, but she's not feeling the best. It's you guys, it's like, okay, so she has her phobia, which I mentioned, and so she doesn't eat a lot. She doesn't eat a lot because she's afraid that she's gonna throw up. It's a phobia. So she's doing counseling. We spoke to a psychiatrist. You know, we went through all of those measures. She's on some medications. You know, we have to get through this. And so, you know, her friend Marley spent the night. Everything was good. We went out to dinner last night. She really didn't feel like eating. She has a worksheet that she has to do as well. And so she ate like a few spoonfuls of rice. But she did eat a lot of chips. Well, then she said she has had acid reflux all night long and still has it. So she's like definitely afraid that she's going to throw up because she feels it. But I'm like, you know, you have a lot of acid because you're not eating. Stomach acid builds up and helps break down your food, you know. I know it's like enzymes too, but you know what I mean. Your body creates this acid environment for the food, and you don't give it any food. So it's like, well, crap, we got all this acid. What we get to do with it? You see what I'm saying? So anyway, she's just dealing with that this morning, like not feeling good. So they're watching a movie, and Journey's out cutting grass with my husband. So I figured, oh, why not? So I'm gonna watch a little YouTube and work. I almost dropped the camera. I ended up getting 3 shirts done. Not bad. Now we're going for some lunch at the House of Pizza. Then I'm gonna go to Walmart and get stuff for the 4th of July and Sunday dinner. Came up with a little list. Getting some tender touch. It says they have 3. Lord have mercy. Children's. It says they have 3 in stock, and there's a 60% off coupon, so we will see. saw a tree smoldering. We had to get another look. Because we got fire over there.
Well, it's not as bad now.
Yeah, maybe it's going out. But it was crazy. It was just shooting out from the tree.
It's right here. No, it is on fire.
Oh. Should we call 911? Where's
I
my...
don't know. I mean...
Oh. Yeah, probably.
911 maybe?
I will.
911.
I will. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that
Crazy, man.
tree's on fire.
I don't know. It wasn't burning a while ago.
It was, yeah.
It was just... It was,
We hear the fire trucks, guys. So I'm cooking on the Blackstone. We're just having squash, zucchini, onions, and mushrooms, and then steak. That's it. We're not having any. We're not gonna have like potatoes or, you know, mac and cheese, nothing like that. Just this nice, fresh kind of. Actually, it's cooked in butter. And then I think we're gonna tie-dye our shirts. I had the great idea that we would make 4th of July shirts. So I've got a red and a blue. And then I also got the pack. And then there's a couple that was left over from when Danny was here. So figured we'd do those. That way we can have them ready for the 4th of July. I need to go find Journey a shirt. She's in the pool right now with my husband's outside with her. This stuff is ready to be eaten. I think you look perfectly fine. Okay, so if we don't have to use all the colors, what I'm saying is let's not.
okay.
On their other one.
Now, do I wet the shirt first?
If you want to. Here's some more sand.
Here.
Which one mine? Large?
Yeah. Might as well use these guys.
Hot water, cold water?
I think it matters. I don't think it really matters. Because it's going to get cold.
How much did I step in for this nasty sticky? Well, if I'm just going to roll it the same way, I'm just going to get the same design.
Well, don't roll it, babe. I just watched the video.
How am I
So this
supposed
is
to roll
usually
it?
Whatever way you want.
Well, you said there was techniques, and I don't
Well,
know.
see what Sissy just did with hers? She, drew a line
Drew a line.
with her finger.
I
Well,
stroked the
oh.
line.
She stroked the line.
What line?
Here, why don't you look at this? Oh. Swirl. Crumple.
Crumple.
Crumple, I don't know. We watch videos.
What?
You want to play the video? Play the video again. So you can watch it. What is it? Are you swimming? How many times have you swum today? This is probably like her 4th time today. Is this your 4th time swimming?
I just went one time.
Well, you swam early this morning. You swam again with Sissy and Marley. You swam a little bit ago before dinner, and now you're swimming again. That's 4 times. Because you love it?
Yes.
Oh, I missed it. You'll have to do it again.